The world of digital technology does not stand still. Every day, thousands of new websites are created, new internet technologies are introduced, new ways of making money online are found. Thousands of companies build their business in crypto industry. Their founders and managers become millionaires. Unfortunately, many companies use funds of legal entities or big investors, thus giving a chance to earn only to those who have huge budgets. But today, we have found a solution to this problem and give everyone the opportunity to earn money. Through the creation of an innovative system of investment pools, everyone with $10 or more in his pocket can become an investor and earn up to 1.5% every day. All this is made possible thanks to CryptoClub. We are a team of experienced traders, analysts, and developers who since 2012 have been successfully implementing the funds of private investors by using the possibilities of modern technologies and market trends. In connection with the scaling of our business since 2022, we have decided to create the club, where everyone will be able to have a passive income or study together with us. It is easy enough to earn with the Crypto Club. After registering on the platform, the user makes a deposit in one of the investment pools, which funds are credited to our trading accounts. After that, our traders department activates funds for trading, generates profits, and credits dividends to investors' accounts. Thus, CryptoClub is one of the best solutions for investing funds because anyone can become an investor today.